Hi guys, welcome back to Gadgetstripe. Welcome to 2018. I am Chapman, and this is the first video I'll be giving to you guys in 2018. It's not about a smartphone, it's not about a tablet, it is all about a wearable device, and that is the Oraimo Tempo. Don't forget, after watching this video, share the video to your friends, drop a comment, click the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without wasting much of our time, let us unbox the Oraimo Tempo. Opening the box, we have the Oraimo Tempo itself. We also have the manual, and lastly in the box, we have the pin charger. So, that is all you've got in the box. Back to the box. Here, we have some listed rundown specification about the Oraimo Tempo. And here, you get a barcode you can scan to check the authenticity of this product. This is so cool because buying fake products is not possible. I really love this idea. And on this side, we have another barcode you definitely want to scan to download the Jawware application to your smartphone, or you can go to your Google Play Store if you're on Android, or your iOS store to download the Jawware application to use with your Oraimo Tempo. Now to the Oraimo Tempo. For real, I love this device already. It has a nice look, especially with the OLED display. The Oraimo Tempo OFP is a great fitness wearable, which you can use to achieve your fitness goals, because it helps you determine the number of steps you've taken. It also helps you calculate the number of kilometers you've reached, and even helps you calculate the number of calories you've burnt. Another great thing is that you can use a Tempo device as a stopwatch, so you get everything you want to achieve your fitness goals during your exercise. To use the stopwatch, just go till you get to stopwatch. Touch and hold on the panel for a few seconds and release. To stop, just tap on the touch panel once, and to erase the current record, touch and hold the panel again. This Oraimo Tempo device can be used every day, and the feel you get on your wrist is lovely because it can be used on all occasions, while working on your PC, while going out, even indoor. Another great thing about the Oraimo Tempo is that it is a waterproof device and have a great resistance to dust also. It can withstand splash of water, so you are good to go on all occasions, though I wouldn't suggest that you dip your Oraimo Tempo into water. The Oraimo Tempo will definitely last you for a good 7 days of great extensive usage. This I have tested. On the 6th day, the battery on the Oraimo Tempo is still at 60%, which is wow. When connected to your smartphone, you can get notifications on the Oraimo Tempo. Maybe you have Facebook notification, or even when someone is calling you, so you get to see who is calling you before you even pick the call. Another great thing is that to turn on display on the Oraimo Tempo, the only thing you have to do is to just lift your hand and the screen will be turned on. Lastly, taking pictures via the Jawware application is possible and much easier. All you have to do is just shake your hand to take the shot. This comes handy, especially when your phone is out of range for you to press the capture button. The price range for the Tempo is just 5,000 naira. So, for me, the Oraimo Tempo is a really nice device, and I've been using it for the past week as my daily wear. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.